In a blink, they're gone. Revealed now the 5 ultimate speedsters of the animal kingdom. Securing the 5th spot, we have the frigate bird. It dominates the sky, clocking speeds of 60 miles per hour, unparalleled in the avian realm. Advancing to the 4th position, we meet the sailfish, an embodiment of aquatic agility, reaching up to 68 miles per hour. Occupying the 3rd spot is the cheetah, the sprinter of the savannah, with an incredible speed of 75 miles per hour. In the 2nd place is the majestic golden eagle, plummeting through the air at more than 150 miles per hour. The grand finale, the fastest of them all, the peregrine falcon, diving at a breathtaking speed of 240 miles per hour. Quick, isn't it?